Welcome to Learnia Trivia, where curiosity meets knowledge. Think you know the answers? Think again. Our trivia will test your smarts and keep you guessing. But that's not all. Stick around as we break down each answer with more fun facts. Ready to challenge your brain and learn more? Let's jump right in. Which planet has the longest day in our solar system? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. The correct answer is A. Venus. Venus has the longest day in the solar system, taking 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. In contrast, Jupiter has the shortest day, completing a rotation in just about 10 hours. Mars has a day length similar to Earth's, lasting about 24.6 hours. Venus's slow rotation makes its day longer than its year. Which country consumes the most chocolate per capita? A. United States. B. Switzerland. C. Germany. The correct answer is B. Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its love of chocolate and holds the top spot for chocolate consumption per capita. On average, each Swiss person consumes over 19 pounds of chocolate annually. This high rate is partly due to Switzerland's rich history of chocolate production, including famous brands like Lindt and Toblerone. Germany also has a strong chocolate culture and ranks second in consumption, with about 17 pounds per person per year. While the United States consumes a large amount of chocolate overall, its per capita consumption is lower, with about 9 pounds per person. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? A. Himalayas. B. Andes. C. Rockies. The correct answer is B. Andes. The Andes is the longest mountain range in the world, stretching over 4,300 miles along the western coast of South America. The Himalayas, while home to the tallest peaks, are much shorter in length, spanning about 1,500 miles. The Rocky Mountains are also shorter than the Andes, extending around 3,000 miles through North America. Which is the smallest continent by land area? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Antarctica. The correct answer is B. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent, covering about 3 million square miles. Europe is slightly larger, spanning around 3.9 million square miles, while Antarctica, though largely uninhabited, covers about 5.4 million square miles. Which country invented paper? A. Egypt. B. China. C. Greece. The correct answer is B. China. China is credited with inventing paper around 105 AD. Before that, ancient Egyptians used papyrus, a form of paper made from reeds, but it's not the same as the modern paper we use today. Greece contributed to literature and writing systems but did not invent paper. Which planet has the most rings? A. Uranus. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. The correct answer is C. Saturn. Saturn is famous for its extensive ring system, which is the most prominent in the solar system. Saturn's rings are not only the widest but also the most complex, consisting of 7 main rings with gaps and divisions that add to their stunning appearance. Uranus and Jupiter also have rings, but they are much fainter and less visible compared to Saturn's spectacular and wide rings. Which country has the oldest known written language? A. Egypt. B. China. C. Sumer. The correct answer is C. Sumer. The Sumerians of ancient Mesopotamia are credited with developing the first known written language, cuneiform, around 3200 BC. Cuneiform was initially used for recording trade transactions but later expanded to other forms of writing. Egyptian hieroglyphs, another early writing system, emerged around 3100 BC, primarily used for religious texts and inscriptions. Chinese writing developed independently much later, around 1200 BC, with a complex system of characters that evolved into the script used today. These early writing systems were crucial in recording history and advancing civilization. Which river flows through the most countries? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Danube. The correct answer is C. Danube. The Danube flows through 10 countries, making it the river that passes through the most nations. The Nile flows through 11 countries, but only part of its basin, not the main flow, crosses many of those borders. The Amazon, while the largest by volume, only flows through a few countries in South America. Which country has the highest population density? A. India. B. Monaco. C. Japan. The correct answer is B. Monaco. Monaco has the highest population density, with over 26,000 people per square kilometer due to its tiny size. India and Japan also have high population densities, but their much larger land areas lower their overall population density compared to Monaco. Which is the tallest type of grass? A. Bamboo. B. Sugarcane. C. Wheat. The correct answer is A. Bamboo. Bamboo is the tallest type of grass, with some species growing over 100 feet tall. Sugarcane, though tall for a grass, typically grows to around 10-20 feet. Wheat, a staple crop, is much shorter, reaching heights of around 4 feet. Which insect is the strongest relative to its body size? A. Dung beetle. B. Ant. C. Rhinoceros beetle. The correct answer is A. Dung beetle. The dung beetle is the strongest insect relative to its body size, capable of lifting over 1,000 times its own weight. Ants are also strong and can carry objects many times their own weight, while the rhinoceros beetle is a powerful insect but doesn't outperform the dung beetle in terms of strength-to-weight ratio. Which human organ has the highest blood flow? A. Heart. B. Kidneys. C. Liver. The correct answer is B. Kidneys. The kidneys receive the most blood flow relative to their size, filtering about 25% of the blood pumped by the heart. The heart itself pumps blood throughout the body but doesn't retain as much for its own function. The liver, though highly vascularized, receives less blood than the kidneys. Which planet has the most intense storms? A. Neptune. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. The correct answer is B. Jupiter. Jupiter is famous for its massive storms, including the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for over 300 years. Neptune also has fierce storms with supersonic winds, but Jupiter's are more extensive and well documented. Saturn experiences violent storms as well, though not on the scale of Jupiter's. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxification? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Lungs. The correct answer is B. Liver. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the blood by filtering out harmful substances. While the heart pumps blood throughout the body and the lungs exchange gases, the liver's unique role is breaking down toxins and processing them for removal from the body. Which continent has the most countries? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. The correct answer is A. Africa. Africa has the most countries of any continent, with 54 recognized sovereign states. Europe comes next with around 44 countries, while Asia has 49 countries. Africa's diverse geography and history have contributed to its large number of nations. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. We hope you had fun and learned something new today. If you enjoyed the challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more brain-boosting trivia every week. Got a fun fact or question of your own? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video of Learnia Trivia. Thanks for watching.